water is filled in this class. Observe a molecule inside water. It is attracted by molecules surrounding it in all directions. So net force on molecule is 0 and molecule is in equilibrium. But observe molecule at the surface. It is strongly attracted by water molecules below it and attracted with relatively weak force by air molecules above it. So surface molecule experience a net pull in downward direction. This force puts surface molecule in a stressed or tense state called surface tension. Moreover, this force brings molecules of surface layer slightly close to each other. So surface density increases a little and can be seen in this creamy layer of milk, although surface molecules cannot move down much, as liquid will resist this compression. So surface of a liquid experience continuously a tension called surface tension. Now focus on surface molecules only. Molecule in the middle of surface experience force along the surface due to neighboring molecules on the surface. But molecule at the edge of the surface is pulled along the surface inward only. So, surface molecules experience a force which is tangential to the surface and called force due to surface tension. This force can be calculated using formula surface tension into length over which this force is acting. Like here, surface tension into perimeter of the surface 2a plus b. So surface tension can be defined as force acting along the surface per unit length. Actually, surface molecules do work against the downward pull to come up and form the surface, and hence possess an extra energy called surface potential energy. This surface potential energy is high if surface area is large, but every system tends to reduce its potential energy, and same is desired by surface molecules also. In order to reduce surface energy, surface wants to reduce its surface area and behaves as a stretched rubber membrane, like this soap film, which pulls the thread in to reduce its surface area. So what is surface tension? It is a property of liquid surface due to which it acts as stretched membrane and has tendency to decrease its surface area, that is, it has tendency to contract. This is definition of surface tension which you are supposed to write in your answer. Now why liquid surface has this special property? So we know now that surface tension exists in the liquid surface due to intermolecular forces or cohesive forces. Now how do we calculate surface tension? So we can say that we define surface tension like force acting along the surface per unit length. If you take length of this side of this rectangular surface, then force acting along this surface divided by length of this edge will be surface tension of this liquid. Now important question is the factors on which surface tension depends. It depends upon nature of liquid and nature of molecules which are in contact with the liquid surface. Second, surface tension depends upon temperature of liquid. When temperature increases, surface tension decreases. Why? बिकॉज अट्रैक्शन फोर्स बिटवीन मॉलिक्यूल्स ऑफ द लिक्विड डिक्रीज। ऐसा क्यों होता है? बिकॉज रैंडम मोशन ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स ऑफ लिक्विड इंक्रीजेस, तो उनके बीच का अट्रैक्शन फोर्स घट जाता है। And presence of impurity also affects surface tension. If impurity is insoluble like detergent, then surface tension will decrease. But if impurity is soluble like sugar, salt, then surface tension may increase or decrease depending upon the impurity. तो आज हमने समझा सरफेस टेंशन क्या है और इसको कैसे कैलकुलेट करते हैं और ये किन फैक्टर्स पर डिपेंड करता है। नेक्स्ट क्लास में हम लोग सरफेस एनर्जी पढ़ेंगे और कुछ क्वेश्चंस करेंगे सरफेस एनर्जी से रिलेटेड न्यूमेरिकल्स।